Hello, in this video I will help you with the submission to Facebook for your apps. So to begin submission, click App Review. This is an app that is already configured for the FaceLive plugin. So click Start Submission. Here you will have multiple use cases. If you want to publish your content to Facebook pages, then you will have to check the following permissions: manage pages, publish video, and live video API. If you want to publish to groups, you have to select groups access member info, publish to groups, and groups API. If you want to publish to both, you have to select all 7 permissions. So let's go ahead and select all 7. What comes next is that you have to fill in your ad details. You have to add details. Okay. Here you can use the content that I provided. Here in this page, I will link in the video's description to this page. I have described in detail each step what you need to take to create your Facebook app and then to submit it to review. Now we are here. We listed the permissions that we need. We click add details for each, and we take each permission by detail. First is publish pages. For publish pages, this is the first that I listed. I will copy this and paste it here. Every time you need to check web, the web checkbox, and copy this and paste it here. Please don't forget to change your domain, change your password and username, and also change your login credentials so they are correct. This is very important. Don't submit it like this. Also, you have to upload your FaceLive screencast. The screencast can be created using this template. I provided here a template for your screencast. In your screencast you must show exactly how to configure the plugin and how to use it to use the credential, the permission that you are submitting the plugin for, the app for. So the video uploaded, click save, and 1 of 7 is okay, and you have to do so for each and every permission. So let's, for the publish video, you have to copy this, paste it here, click on web, copy this, paste it here, upload the screencast, Okay, and so on for each and every permission. Afterwards, when you are done, this button will be unlocked and you will be able to click it. And you have to click Submit App for Review. Also, one more thing to do before submitting your app, click on Roles and create a test user. To do so, click on Test User and click Add, Create Test Users. A test user was created. Go back to App Review. Scroll to App Verifications, click Details and enter the test user that was just created and save. This is helpful for review process. So after you completed each and every detail, exactly like here it is described here, you can submit for review. You have to set an icon for your app from settings, basic. Please note that you have to have an icon set, privacy policy URL set, the category for your app needs to be set, and business use should be set to provide services to other businesses. Okay. And afterwards, don't forget to click Submit for review. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope this will help you. Until next time, bye bye.